So in this part of the video, I want to talk about the inner world and the outer world. And what I mean by that is your inner world of sensations and feelings and the physical world outside of you. And how there's a way to get to your inner space. You know, in my opinion and my experience, we live outside of our bodies a lot, where we are so focused on external aspects of what's going on, what we have to do, all those fears and all those things that are outside of us, and not really having that connection to our inner sensations and our inner being. And by being, I mean this inner presence that we all carry. And part of the process is to add to my previous video on meditation and actually connecting the energy. What we get to do is, like, how do you start your sensations inside? How do you get those feelings inside? How do you have some space for yourself inside? Okay? And this is what I want to talk about. In the visualizations where you ground yourself to the earth and you connect to the center of the universe, what you're doing is you're feeling this flow, okay? And I know when you start doing this, you just have to see it in your mind and watch it move and watch the energy circulating, okay? You can also do an exercise to where you're running energy from your feet. You bring earth energy from your feet up, down to your first chakra, and then down to the earth. And then you bring cosmic energy down your back, up through the first chakra, up the front of the body, and it comes out of the body. And then here you split, and you have channels out your arms. So basically, it's just get you to understand that there is movement everywhere in your body, okay? And what you're doing by visualizing this movement is you're training yourself to sense it and to allow this action to continue, because it's a new thing, okay? You maybe have never done this, but by doing this process, you actually train yourself to get more into your sensations. And here's what I mean by this. You close your eyes, you visualize this energy moving through your body. You start slowly to feel it. Sometimes you can hear it, okay? Hearing is another aspect that we use to focus ourselves, okay? If everything is distracting me outside, I can just focus on that ringing inside my head, and that brings me centered, okay? Because we have an inner ear and we have outer ears. So what I'm doing to bring myself in is I focus on my ear, my inner ear. I hear the buzzing inside of me. That brings me in. Then I visualize the energy running through my body. And then I start to focus my mind on feeling the energy more and more. And also, I put an intention out to constantly speed up the flow of energy through my body. So because we're becoming like, the more things we let go, the more open we become to consciousness, okay? So what I'm doing by visualizing this energy running through and then speeding up, slowly faster, slowly faster, slowly faster, every day. What you're doing is you're expanding yourself to more and more and more. First by seeing it, then by feeling it, and then by willing it to speed up, okay? You will it into happening. You intend it, and then the more you relax, the more the energy starts to flow. And this is the process. The more grace you activate, the more energy passes through you. Those are very connected. The more you let go, the more you take, the more you get. I know it's very paradoxical in this sense, but that's how it is. The real power is not in the physical outer force. The real power is inner letting go, embracing the inner space, and having this element of grace and compassion for any situation, or at least clarity for any situation, to where you can position yourself in a certain way, okay? So what I'm saying is, the amount of energy you get and the amount of sensations that you will feel is directly proportional to how much you are able and willing to let go, okay? And this is the process, and I'm going through this, and I'll be talking more. Thanks for watching.